In front of me is Xiaomi 13 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into settings and tap on connection and sharing. Following that, select printing and tap on system printing service. After that, just wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you want to use different printing service, you need to disable this one by tapping on this switcher next to Use Print Service. When you're ready, click on the back button and tap on Add Service below it. Finally, install the best one for you. I will go with HP one. When your app is ready, go into the same settings by tapping on the back button. Lastly, just click on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!